So this is my multi-arcade machine. Let me show you the configuration that I made. So for starters, I installed, well, this is like a simple decal that I printed. These are pieces from an old arcade machine that I bought off of Facebook. So I just replaced some of the parts, and other parts I made them myself. Like for example, the side panels I chopped them out myself from a wood pallet. So what else? Okay, so I installed the volume control. This is a simple how does this go? Well, multimeter, I think. So with this I can control the volume. I just pin it over here. It is, I passed the volume cables and I placed them over the multimeter, I think so, and then it goes to the speaker. So this way, then I drill a hole and I poke it over here, so this way I can control the volume. And over here you can see I just have some pictures, the coin slot. Now if we go to the back, we can see the whole configuration. So first I installed a light so that I can see better inside when I'm doing some fixes. Here's the TV controller. Here I have a Jamma splitter. So the main Jamma controls are going, you can see them, like they are going from here all the way to the top. It's the volume. For the volume, then I'm routing it over here, and it goes over this frequency change, and it goes to the controllers. So here is the coin slot, and here I have the system and a Pandora box. So how does this work? So the Jamma controller, the base Jamma controller connects to this Jamma splitter. Here you can see that I have a double USB Jamma to USB converter, and I also have a regular Jamma extension. So the extension will go over here. You can see them going all the way up. One connects to the Neo Geo system, another one connects to the Pandora box. Right now I don't have the Pandora box connected, instead I have the USB splitter, but if I remove this I can connect the second extension to the splitter. So the USB Jamma controller is I am using it to connect any HDMI devices. So for example, I have here my Steam Deck, which I can also connect. So let me just plug it in, and it should it changes the output. We can see here that we have the two USB extensions and the HDMI. I also have a volume controller that connects to an HDMI adapter from VGA to HDMI, but it is hidden over there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so the routing goes over here, this is a very important part. This over here is a VGA to, I think it's called CGA converter. So the input from my Steam Deck goes through from HDMI to VGA, and from VGA it enters here. So this device converted the signal from 60 Hz to 15 Hz, and it outputted through this CGA cable. Then this CGA cable comes over here to the splitter over there. So and from here it transfers to the regular Jamma adapter, and it goes to the central controller. So let's see this in action. This is controlled via remote control. Also, to pass energy to that adapter, I just connected both of the cables through this 5-volt adapter, that is receiving energy directly from the power supply. So let's go back to the screen. So here the controller, I have it over here. Whenever I click, you can see that I can change to my Steam Deck, and here I can play, for example, my Capcom Classic Collection. There it is. And as I mentioned, I can control the volume from here. I also have a regular power switch just to turn on and off the system. I have an additional button, and what else? I think that's all. So yeah.